I'm originally from the United States, and I worked as a lawyer in the United States for over 15 years. I actually specialized in an area of law called entertainment law, representing clients mostly in the music industry, and also worked a lot with intellectual property. I also worked as a professor for 2 different universities in the United States, and after that I worked as a professor teaching at a university in Hong Kong and another one in mainland China. The master's programs in law that we're planning to begin here at AUPP there are 2 different degrees. One is called an LLM, which is a master's in law, and that degree is for students or applicants that have a bachelor's degree in law. The other degree is an MLS, which stands for Master of Legal Studies, and that degree is open to students from with any bachelor's degree. It doesn't really matter what subject, so they don't need to have a law background for the MLS degree. Both of these degrees will be focused on international business and trade law. So they're very similar, but just each one is designed for students with different backgrounds. The degree that you would receive is from the University of Arizona, and it's the same as the degree that they offer if you were to go to Arizona and study there. However, the main difference is we're offering the classes here at AUPP in Phnom Penh. And the way that works is students would do a good bit of the coursework online, but we also hold class sessions here at AUPP where professors like myself, for example, would actually teach the class. Most people in Cambodia may not be familiar with the University of Arizona, but it's pretty well known in the United States. I believe the University of Arizona started way back in 1855 or 1885, I think it was, and it's grown to be quite big over the years. Currently, the university has over 45,000 students, and they study in all different subjects, one of which is law. So the University of Arizona also has a law school as part of the university, and that's what we have the partnership with to offer these the master's degrees. And also, the University of Arizona Law School is accredited by the American Bar Association, which is the organization responsible for accrediting law schools in the United States, and it's very highly ranked as well. Well, I think there are 3 basic benefits. The first one is that you would be able to receive a very high quality education. As I mentioned, it's the same exact degree as you would get if you went to the University of Arizona in the United States. And the courses are all dealing pretty much with international law. The second main benefit is the convenience that you would have. Instead of going to Arizona in the United States, you can take all the courses right here in Phnom Penh. And I guess that really leads to the third main advantage, which is cost. And while I know that for Cambodian universities the tuition might be pretty expensive, it's actually very inexpensive for American university degrees. And you'd be, if you take the master's degrees here at AUPP, you would be paying tuition that's less than 1/3 of the tuition if you were to go to the University of Arizona and study there. Plus, there's also savings in the cost of living in the United States. We do have a way of trying to help students that maybe their English language ability is not quite where it needs to be. AUPP offers a number of English language preparation courses, and in addition to that, we've also kind of designed some preparatory courses that students could take if they need it, which would not only try to improve their English language abilities, but also provide some of the skills that students need to study law, things like critical thinking and a little bit of legal reasoning, so that when they start taking the master's courses, hopefully they'll be much better prepared.